Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can start a new chat on DeepSeek AI. For that, first you have to open any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After that, you can see the search bar on the top. Here type in DeepSeek AI. After that, it will lead you to this home page, and here you can see this start now option. Click on start now. Now, to start a new chat on DeepSeek, you have to make sure that you are logged in to your account. If you have not logged in, you can simply type in your credentials and click on login, and after you log in, you'll see home page like this. Here you can directly type in your message on this field here and click on enter, and following this you have started a new chat with DeepSeek. Another option is that here on the left side you can see this new chat button here. Click on new chat and it will appear this same field here, and here you have to type in your message, and after you type in your prompt you can click on enter. So that is how you can start a new chat on DeepSeek AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.